So I am out in front of a house that I bought with cash today. So this was a deal where we had no competition. So once again, we showed up and offered the fix and list offer, and because of that, we gained so much, trust with the home seller that they did not shop around. They just took our cash offer. Before I go inside, I want to show you. This is cracked really bad and settled a lot. Looks like it's come down about 3 or 4 inches, and as a result, this whole thing is tipping this way. We back up. You're up on the roof. The flashing's kind of messed up. Don't know how well you can see that, but we're going to rip all this out and re-pour it so that it's, I'll clean the lens quick, but re-pour it and jack up that post so it's nice and flat. A lot of trash left behind. Contrary to what you would think, this kind of house is actually the easiest one to estimate the renovation because everything needs fixed, right? This one there's just piles of shit. It's gonna take a few dumpsters just to see what we're working with, but it's pretty easy. Just say, yep, need a new bathroom here. And all this just needs ripped out and thrown away. New light fixtures, new carpet, new tile, new toilet, new tub, new vanities. That's what we're gonna do there. Kind of same thing in the kitchen. We're just gonna rip it all out and put new back. So I look forward to showing you this one when it's all done. Another challenge we have with this house is someone allowed a cat to live in the basement, and the cat peed, pooped all over the place, and you can smell it pretty bad in this house. But I mean, we just gotta haul all this crap out of here before we can even tell what we're dealing with. But we counted on spending some money remodeling. I think we have 10K to put flooring and drywall in down here. The plan's not to add a bathroom. We're just gonna make it a finished space to get the finished square footage. But we may have to put a bunch of Kills paint down, maybe even replace some of the OSB. I just need to see how bad it looks. Like, how bad is the cat urine and feces on that plywood. So we're gonna get everything out, check that out, maybe replace some plywood. At the very least, we'll put a bunch of Kills all over it. We're going to run an ozone machine in this house for at least a week with everything all shut to kill the smell. The last decision that has to be made that I haven't really decided yet is we've got the money in for it, but I'm kind of on the fence on whether we're going to get the money back or not by ripping this wall out and kind of having more of a peninsula and having this open from the living room to the kitchen. It's already open to the dining room here, so thinking I'm not going to rip it out. I think it's going to be easier to just leave everything where it's at and just put new cabinets in. But that is where we're at with things. Thank you for watching. I'll show it to you again probably about halfway through the renovation, and then again when we're all done. See you later.